Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock from bones. First, gather your chicken bones, like a carcass or wings, along with vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onion. Roasting the bones beforehand is a key step. It adds a rich, deep flavor and a beautiful color to your finished stock. Then, combine everything in a large pot, ready for simmering. To begin simmering, cover your bones with cold water, ensuring they are submerged by about 2 to 3 inches. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer, but avoid a rolling boil, as this can make your stock cloudy. As it simmers, use a spoon to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Add your chosen vegetables and herbs during the final hour of cooking for optimal flavor. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the contents through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the cooked bones and vegetables. The next crucial step is to cool the stock quickly. This helps prevent bacterial growth. You can do this by placing the pot in an ice bath. Once completely cool, transfer it to containers for refrigeration or freezing. For the best chicken stock, use a variety of bones, including backs and wings, for a richer gelatinous texture. It's best to avoid adding salt during the cooking process, as stock is a base and you can season your final dish later. Be mindful not to oversimmer, as cooking for too long can sometimes extract bitter notes. Finally, a small splash of apple cider vinegar can help extract more nutrients from the bones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.